Yeah.
Just take the small one out right there, and then we go over and hit the other side. You don't want a small diameter, even though it's a small cord, because we know we're going to run something else.
So you wanted to kind of have space.
They might get 3 or 4 more computers over here. They might put some more stuff in here. So we're going to make sure we have enough space so we can actually...
If you want to run more cable.
Run more cable.
That's why I told Miss Williams.
Wait, Martel, let me. So we running one cable's coming here and one cable's coming here.
Yes, another one's coming here too.
Okay.
So what I'm about to do is, this is going to get a little tricky. I'm going to use the cable that we have already ran, tie another, because she's going to ask me where she's going to cut the cable and start making the ends, because we're already where we're going to be set up right now. So we're going to use that to be able to cut the cable and start a new line, and use this cable here to pretty much drag the cable that we're working with back over. Good? Okay. She's going to cut the line.
Okay.
So right now we have a cable here, here, we have a cable here.
Okay.
So when she cuts the line, we got to start a new cable. So I'm going to take the cable that we already have, bring it, and keep pulling it while it's attached to the new line.
Okay.
Once the new line gets through, we're going to pull the old cable back, but take the new line and pull it forward. There's going to be a guideline for the other cable.
Okay.
We're not going to take it from here, but but it's going to be a little bit more cable added on to it. That's why we're going to pull it back.
Okay.
That way we don't have a whole crap load of cable up there.
Okay.
So we would cut it.
Let me just cut it at the end right here. Just, give enough slack.
Okay. So that cable's going to go
Right now, I am making the ends for these network cables. Going to have to arrange these color-coded wires for a straight-through cable. What's going on?
Well, actually, we're testing the cable to see if we have connection from this end to the other connection in the other room. And as of now, there seems to be a slight problem.
Yeah, the cable tester basically tests to make sure that we have a actual RJ45 configuration for a straight-through cable, which is basically a mode. So when we test it, it tests each pin one by one to make sure that it's corresponding. And as you can see, it starts 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 G. It's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 G. So inside here, the jack itself, maybe one of the pins is a little bit too close or touching, and it can be identified as 1. So she's going to have to cut this head and redo the cable itself when terminating again to make sure that we get an actual RJ45 connection. And then when she does the red one, we're going to take the red one to make sure she does the same way. And then once they are complete and actual cables, we'll put the settings back and we'll just drop the cable down and they can plug in their devices and be able to use the cable as a network cable.